I want to clarify that that is not part of what I've said. Saudi way is a trap for the nation Ghana. The village or whatever camp the Egbo king is having a support from Nigeria. It is an agenda from Nigeria. Almost transit a planning, a protege. So this is what we want to do in Ghana, as we did in Nigeria. And it is the Igbos and the Biafras, the Igbos are a Biafra forum, and now Ewadi from Nigeria. So they are going to sponsor the building of that village. Now let me tell you, it is a Boko Haram place they are building. They are building a camp for terrorists.
Serious.
Because how they are seeing Ghana, the peace of Ghana, and how Ghana is, they want to destroy it. I will tell you what I know spiritually. That this is an agenda of a Boko Haram. And the government of Ghana must resist this before it's too late. The peace you are enjoying, by the time you realize this Boko Harams and this terrorists has taken over. So if these people are telling you, how many chiefs Otu Fokran call Nigeria say Okusi Ayibia wo ayi Nigeria? What be that? So how come you come from your country and say you are coming to build a kingdom in somebody's country? So they'll go into celebrities. Say you use na celebrities and you use they are fulfilling your agenda. This thing must be stopped and resisted by the government. So me as a spiritual person, I know what is coming. I know the plot behind this. I know the plan behind this. And I'm telling the government that it is not good for the nation. They should resist. They should stop him before it's too late.
Bear 2021 who and a better mountain so say Igbo king be aba or mind Ghana mua or say or ye chief Edima Igbo fono and Lunti or no super set or bonus saying that will mind Ghana and send me ever Tom mountain so as I grow assassin pa send me no cassette in some no adding to her and media and so now we are for demonstration a course or more Ghana by set near upon Capono Ghana ye need a busse be a friend say Igbo. Into me own to me ma mind Ghana mu embe parade na ho set where your henny and sign for sub chiefs and come e be a say near war ye no okata che fa kwa ababiki response to it I just say as we person dey to be ever mind Ghana and in Nigeria for international creativity and ka yet ya sumdwem me saka prophet Bosheba e wo menche ha ye no ever be di enkomo mesro so we me subscribe to no so na dey be on aka ho say be na upload to the only first person na won sa e be di kan kan so me say won no come on in and move for Palana for you from Comono and Trosso. If I'm Wakaba,
That's Simeniaba.
Papa, maybe I'm
Brabomo and Pom dear, Yamé de Biate.
2 pieces here come.
That's it.
Okay, for making the sets are Ibukini and Senior Ecosu.
Yeah, Mate. Matepa.
Na Ghana ye busia ye domo ye nti Igbo mu na papa ya ba ha se wo Igbo fo hene afeli hu ya henfo kan ho wo kwa edom de nachi wo ba edom sam kakra da afi asase ya ntamo so wa kwaji e de ba be we no mu no it is saying
never just say I think so in this matters I receive a lot of messages na nkofo bisam say my prophecy that I was given about the new cities that will be built, is a part of it. I want to clarify that that is not part of what I've said. You know, Saudi way is a trap for the nation Ghana. It's a trap.
Trap from Nigeria.
Yes, it's a trap. Now, the village or whatever camp the Igbo king is having a support from Nigeria. It is an agenda from Nigeria.
Some façon any day.
Okay. I'll end it.
Okay.
Now, almost transit a planning, a protege. So this is what we want to do in Ghana, as we did in Nigeria. And it is the Igbos and the Biafras, the Igbos are a Biafra for and a wage from Nigeria. So they are going to sponsor the building of that village. Now let me tell you, it is a Boko Haram place they are building. They are building a camp for terrorists.
Serious?
Yes. Yes. So there, you know these terrorists are Nigeria. No, you know this is from this Igbo land. These same Igbo people, these same Biafras. Among them building this Boko Haram sene terrorists here tormenting Nigeria, man Nigeria need peace. No, that's the same thing you want to come and do in Ghana. Because how they are seeing Ghana, the peace of Ghana, and how Ghana is, they want to destroy it.
Therefore, he oba Ghana ha enye new ache, and kwai any etitire ni eni ntiri ko Ghana ha so edi ensa so in the likes of Captain
Profits many adi na ama wotini kwa Captain Smart or him kwa na him adi. It's all kind of silly na the force of law anantum. You must say a him Ghana we na kwa adi we adi.
I will say. Now listen to me. Say obi wa agenda. Now or planning how that agenda will be fulfilled. Obi use more.
Okay.
Are you getting me? The person is having an agenda. Want to be market, not fulfilling agenda.
Yes, of course.
I just said they will go into celebrities, they will go into people that are known, they will go into them, then they will stand on this to do what they want to do. I will tell you what I know spiritually.
Okay.
So this is an agenda of a Boko Haram from the Biafras. And this thing is being cooked as a trap for Ghana. And the government of Ghana must resist this before it's too late.
What did you say? What you trying to answer with one?
They are playing with fire. The peace you are enjoying, by the time you realize this Boko Harams and this terrorists has taken over.
Okay.
Office and quarters are saying for them. What agenda do you think that is? What agenda do you think they're going to buy 20 acres of land or 30 acres of land for?
Also 50 acres of land.
Yes. What agenda do you think it will be for?
But you say so. Ghana Nigeria for the new one be into Senka will probably be seen. Now, what they are bought for Mahama. Anka and no M1 say Info Nigeria, they don't trace names, say, aha, and the paddle free.
On Castle Basin, Nigeria, also see Igbo camp.
Okay, for the Igbo clan.
Yes. On Castle see Nigeria camp. On Castle see place for Nigeria so that Nigeria won't get on Betina or Derby. Also, we'll see Igbo village, Igbo camp. And what the Igbos did in Nigeria. We know that the Igbos are not good people. These Biafras, they are behind the Boko Haram. So if these people are telling you, how many chiefs who and call Nigeria say Okosi, ayi Nigeria, what be that? So how come you come from your country and say you are coming to build a kingdom in somebody's country? What be that? You are from your country. Now also they see a kingdom in somebody's country. And you think it's just a so they'll go into celebrities. Say you use not celebrities and you use near they are fulfilling your agenda. And they never knew that they are using them.
Okay.
It is an agenda plan from Nigeria.
Sabre if you have to do that then we never no ha they require gun again.
The government must resist this. So we must stop this before it's too late.
Diplomatically,
no,
between
nothing. No. We are not dealing with Nigeria. We are talking about the Igbo. Somebody who says he's an Igbo king. We are not talking about Nigeria. Are you getting me? Is it Nigeria ambassador Messi Babiana? Is it the ambassador? Don't you have the ambassador of Nigeria in Ghana? Is it the one who says he's building somewhere? If it should be from the ambassador, I am building this for my people. So that my people Nigerians will live here. Nobody, if you have problem with him, it means you have a problem with the country.
Okay.
But this is an Igbo person who said I am an Igbo king, I am building. We are not talking of diplomatic or diplomats or whatever, or country to country. No. This thing must be stopped and resisted by the government. Otherwise, that's it. And you know, I said my baby That's all. So me as a spiritual person, I know what is coming. I know the plot behind this. I know the plan behind this. And I'm telling the government that it is not good for the nation. They should resist. They should stop him before it's too late. Thank you.
I had a very prophet and education and common. Let's say with your comments or video no as a down nothing. When you answer Shabbat and say, no, and I know the account say they're not up to the talk to the first person. There was a really kind of all the social media platforms so over. And it's too much GH also as well, no one like it. No one share no one so any reaction. That good and I'm just so.